Hey, hi buddies, welcome back to my channel. Um, Please be subscribed and hit on the like button to get more videos and updates from my channel. Guys, in our previous class we have discussed until how to pivot and unpivot a table, right? In our today's class we are going to discuss about column transformations and row transformations. For that I have already loaded a table into Power Query, that is row transformations. Okay guys, when we coming to column transformations are nothing but reordering the columns, renaming the columns, removing the columns from the table, keeping the columns, and choose columns, go to columns. Like in this geo options we have those two options, right? Choose columns and go to columns. These all options can be considered as a column transformations. We have already did all these transformations in our previous video, right? So I think there is no need to discuss about those options in this video because to decrease the video length. Okay. uh, when we come to the row transformations, these two icons, these icons means these two geo options uh, belongs to row transformations. Okay guys, in this keep rows we have keep top rows, keep bottom rows, keep range of rows, keep duplicates, keep errors. Like that we have remove top rows, remove bottom rows, remove alternatives. Like this we have in this. Okay. Guys, for suppose just think, this table, this information was given by the client. Okay, the table has uh, 36 rows, right? The table has contain 36 rows, but whatever the mm, client based on the client requirement, I can get that, I can achieve that requirement with the help of this top 10 rows. Okay. uh, when I achieve the client requirement with the use of these top 10 rows, I don't need remaining rows, right? For that case, I'm going to remove all the remaining rows except top 10. For that, I use keep top rows. Keep top rows. How many rows I want? Top 10, right? I have given the number of rows I want. Click on OK. Okay. Transformation got successfully applied on the table. Okay. For your confirmation, I have selected the table, right? Keep top rows. Keep top rows 10. Okay. What is the first customer name? Gorax. Okay. What is the last customer name? Tanaj. Click on OK. Okay. You can find it here. Like uh, if I wanted to keep bottom rows, okay, we will go with this option. Okay. I wanted to keep from 25 Sanjay K, from here to 34 Janardhan. Okay, how many rows from here to here? 25 to 9 rows, right? I wanted to keep bottom 9 rows. For that I have selected the column already, right? 9. Keep bottom rows, right? Okay. It has successfully applied on the table. Where it fetched this data from, where? Karunesh, right? Okay, guys. uh, it is keep bottom rows, right? I have given the bottom 9 rows, means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. From here to here it has fetched the data. Okay, remaining all the rows, all the columns got deleted. Again we have keep range of rows. Until now we have did keep top rows and keep bottom rows, but keep range of rows, not from the top, not from the bottom. I wanted to keep between the top and bottom. This is top right from Gorax, 10 Tanaji. Okay, this is the bottom right, where from here Sanjay, 25 row, right? I wanted to keep from the 11th row. Keep range of rows means that keep range of rows, how many rows I wanted to keep, that is also required, guys. We have to calculate the rows here. 25, 1 2 3 4 5 6 10 11 12 13 14 15 rows, right? I wanted to give 15 rows, keep range of rows. From where I wanted to keep? From here, from 11th row, right? Number of rows I wanted to keep 15. Okay, Supriya to Sanjay. Okay, that's the use of this option. If we wanted to keep top rows, we go with this. If you wanted to keep bottom rows, we go with this. If you wanted to keep range of rows, except top and bottom, we wanted to keep in the middle. At that scenario, we use this keep range of rows. Okay, keep duplicates. I wanted to check is this table contain duplicate values or not. At that time only, if this table has duplicate values, at that time only that option will work on this. Okay, I think this table doesn't have duplicate values. To use that option, I wanted to load another table into Power Query from the recent sources, row transformations, employee table, right? Okay. This is also not have duplicate values. We can enter the duplicate values manually, I think. From here it is not possible. Okay, just give me a sec. I'm going to delete this. Yes. Okay. Click on this table. New source. Row transformation. It's taking time. Okay, I think in this I have duplicate values. Okay. Okay, table got loaded into Power Query, right? I have already selected the column here. Keep duplicate values only. If you found here 7788, 7788 Scott, and 7934 Miller, 7934 Miller. These two duplicate values we have in this table, right? I have selected the column and keep duplicate values. Okay, you found those, right? I'm going to remove this step. I wanted to remove duplicates. We have 16 rows, right? We have two duplicate values, right? If those rows will be disappear from this table. We have to see here 14 rows. Okay, for that remove duplicates. How many rows you can able to see here? 14 rows, right? That option got successfully implemented on this table. Okay. Keep errors, guys. I have selected this column already, right? Keep errors. Is this table have errors? Yes, it has the errors. 1, 2. This table contain 2 errors, right? Means I wanted to see here 34 rows. Sorry, it's keep errors, right? I wanted to see only 2 rows. Sorry. Sorry. Okay, it's not work for entire table. It's only work for selected column only. In this column only we have errors, right? So we have to select this column only. Okay, guys, select this column and keep errors. At that time only it work. It won't work on a whole table. It's only work on the selected column. That's why I selected the column where the errors has appear. Okay, under product name I have errors, right? That's why I selected the column. At the time only this option will work on the table. Okay, I'm going to remove this step. If I select this, in this column I don't have errors, right? At the time this option will be not work on this table. Okay, in what column we have the errors, we have to selected that column. At the time only this option will be work on the table. That's the thing, guys. Okay, here we have tried all of this and removing columns, like removing top rows, what we did in keep top rows, right? The same thing we have to enter the same how many rows we have to remove, like remove bottom rows, like keep bottom rows. We have to mention how many rows we wanted to remove this table. Okay, remove alternative rows. For this I have selected the column, right? Remove alternative rows. First row to remove, I wanted to remove 105 Rijwana. Second row, right? Number of rows to remove, I wanted to remove 1 from this row. I wanted to keep this row, right? I wanted to remove this row. I wanted to keep it, I wanted to remove this. Okay, I wanted to keep it, I wanted to remove this. Like that, number of rows to keep 1. Okay, 18 rows. Alternative rows, one has to keep, another one has to remove. That's the use of this option, right? And again, remove duplicates, like what we did in keep duplicates, like that also we can do here. The intention is when we apply this, it will keep duplicates. When we apply this, it will remove the duplicate values. Okay, keep errors, remove errors. I wanted to select this column. I want to remove errors 34. Okay, guys. Okay, all the topics on column transformations and row transformations were done. Catch you tomorrow. Thank you, guys.